Hello again, this is Scott from S-Tech. We have a customer, Gary from Florida, 2020 Jeep JL. Wants to replace his axles with Dana 60s with ARB lockers. Would like to remove all of the Rubicon controls and replace them with S-Tech controls with a TeamTech off-road pneumatic sway bar conversion kit, which is why we have sway bar disconnect. We have front locker, rear locker, and compressor, which is going to go into the stock Rubicon location. That's awesome. In position 1, here we go. It's all lit up. Let's back up a little bit. There we go. Yep. Position 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lights out. Thanks, Gary.